us getting back to New York. Round 2 of the Jonas Brothers are tonight. I'm so excited to see them again. So it's gonna be fun. Anything you have to say?
Other than this angle is terrible. It's not flattering for me at all.
This is the vloggy life.
Yeah.
So yeah, so we're on the bus. I'm gonna go take a nap soon because I need it before tonight. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to the city. I'll probably vlog like later on because I want to save the battery, the card as much as possible for tonight. So yeah, I'll see you guys in New York. Bye. Hey guys, so we're now back in New York. You can tell we're on the New York subway. We're heading to the hotel to drop our stuff off, and then we're gonna go to the show. So we'll see what happens. I took a very nice nap on the bus. It was very nice. So I feel refreshed and ready to party tonight. So let's see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated and enjoy the vlog. We're online. We're under the shade. Yeah, we got many hours here. I'll give you guys updates. Yeah. Yeah, nothing really exciting. Many people here online. We're right next to a market, so that's great. We got food. Lisa, anything you want to say to the vlog?
It's my birthday.
It's her birthday. I gave her a pin to wear.
He's falling off.
Yeah. Sorry. Welcome to the noisy New York City. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, I guess, in a few hours. Probably not much is gonna happen besides us sitting here doing nothing. So update time is about 4 o'clock. We got our wristbands, so we're guaranteed. We've been getting food at this marketplace, so marketplace has been very helpful to us. So thank you guys for making all for out here. So got a couple more hours to go, but we're surviving, right? Right, Lisa?
Yes, yes.
We're surviving it. Yeah, so a few more hours of sitting, but I'm ready to go in. I feel more hydrated now because I have water, I have soda, I'm good. We're all done here. We're making lots of friends. So yeah, see you guys when we get inside. Hey guys, so I'm just doing a quick outro for the free Pandora show for Jonas Brothers because editing me realized that her files aren't there for the outro, and I had a room tour for the hotel that we stayed in, and I had like a 2-minute long outro, but it's not there on the computer. I tried to export and do things, it's just not there. I don't know. So I'm just gonna do a quick outro. So after the show, I went to Lisa's hotel and I stayed there for the night. It was a really cute hotel. It was at the Pod, yeah. It was really cute. It's like had bunk beds and everything. It was really cute hotel. It was like a hostel, but it wasn't but like cheaper version of a hotel. But yeah, I highly recommend staying there. I thought it was very clean and everything and all that. The Jonas show was amazing. It was great. Me and Lisa stayed in the back because it was just so crazy up there. I was just having like a freak out moment from like 2013. I just couldn't be up there in the front or anywhere in the middle. So being in the back was better. We were on like the back side, so that was pretty good. We did get a free shirt from that show too because free merch was awesome. And that is just the ending of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm sorry it's been so late. It should have been up September. It's now October. I'm really sorry about that. I just kind of been on the back end on editing. I haven't had like encouragement to edit, but like for some reason I felt like let's edit today. So I got a lot more vlogs coming. I have at least 2 more vlogs and a room tour coming, and a what's on my iPad video coming your way very soon. So that's like 4 videos to edit. The ending of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't have an MSG vlog because I couldn't vlog that day. There's just like things that happened that day that I couldn't vlog. I just couldn't vlog. I did meet the boys for the 3rd show that I went to for New York, because you guys know I did go to New York. But I did meet them at the New York City MSG show. But I just don't have a vlog from that day. I tried to vlog, but then too much happened where I didn't feel like vlogging anymore. But yeah, so be on the lookout for more vlogs and more videos definitely coming your way this October. November there'll be another Jonas vlog. So yes, so that is all, and I'll see you guys in another video. Whatever, we're just gonna end the vlog, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.